In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a report from Google Ads. If you're looking to pull performance data quickly and reliably, this simple workflow will help you get exactly what you need without any fuss. Start by heading to the left-hand navigation and clicking on Campaigns. This puts you in the main workspace where your performance data lives, and it ensures that the options you need are visible and relevant to your account. Once you're there, move to Insights and Reports. This area is the hub for your visualizations, tables, and summaries, and it's where Google Ads groups the tools you'll use to analyze and export your data. Next, click Report Editor. Think of the report editor as your canvas. It's where you can assemble or refine reports so that they reflect precisely the metrics and dimensions you care about. Here, you can create a new report or edit your existing ones. If you're preparing to download, this is a good moment to double-check the essentials within the report itself. Make sure the date range, columns, and any filters match the question you're trying to answer. A quick review now saves you from re-downloading later. Open the report you want to download. Give it a second to load fully so that all the data and charts render. When the report is open, look to the top bar of the report and click Download. That's the command that triggers Google Ads to package the content you're viewing into a file you can use outside the platform. After you click, Google Ads prepares your file and your browser begins the download automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you'll either see a small confirmation pop up or you can find the file in your default Downloads folder. If you're working with a larger report, it might take an extra moment. Just let it finish so you get the complete data set. And there you go. That's all it takes. By starting in Campaigns, moving into Insights and Reports, opening the report editor, selecting the report you need, and clicking Download on the top bar, you've captured a clean snapshot of your Google Ads performance that you can share, archive, or analyze further. The next time you need updated numbers, just return to the same saved report, verify the details, and repeat the download. It's a straightforward routine that keeps your reporting consistent and your workflow efficient.